Alright, everybody, welcome to my channel again. It's original Kountry Boi, and yes, I got a beautiful opportunity to give you guys a beautiful room tour at Riu Jamaica, man. Montego Bay, that is. So, I just want to say, if y'all want to see how the room look, stay tuned and I'll be showing you everything about this room. I dubbed this one a beautiful room tour. By the way, you like my glasses? Look at my hair as usual. Let's get into it on the flip. Alright, so yo, I'm rolling and see what I'm going. No, the moment y'all been waiting for. Hey, beautiful room. Alright, I'll turn on the camera and see what I'm going. Alright, everybody. So, welcome to the beautiful room. Yeah, man. So first thing what me love about this room here are the bathroom. You see the bathroom, people? You know, look here, look here. Yeah, the camera waterproof, so I can go in and show up the tunnel and sit down. But I'm not just that. We have two options. Hot and cold. You see, true, we can't take the cold time in the room already cold in the winter time in Jamaica. I just got up. Whoops! And water hot again, people. Yeah, man, feel the water hot. Yeah, man, hold on, that too hot, alright, man. So, yeah, that's the first thing I'm like about the room here. Yeah, the bathroom up. Yeah, man, you see all the right on the door, I don't understand what they mean right there, so push in, push hard. Yeah, man, I don't know what that mean right now. I better than you just tell me say a glass door and done if I that to mean. So, yeah, man, you don't know anything. So, you see, say what the bathroom up. Yeah, man, I'm gonna take a look on the base now. I'm gonna see what I go on feet. Yes, peeps, by the way, that's me right there. Looking at flying thingy. They don't know a chap girl. But yeah, I'm telling you the truth. You know what I like about this base here? You see the time I try to figure out the base a while ago, man. I say, yo, alright, I'm gonna turn away the camera and set it so you can see. But realize this right here, it did lock. So, me I search down the whole bathroom for a little nozzle or switch or whatever. Me I look underneath the place and me I say none. People, guess what I don't open it? I play me a play around when you saw my angle accidentally come down. And push it down and could it just fly open. You see me? So yeah, man, the bathroom bossy man. I don't know, napkin holder, if you have to wipe your tears, if you have to cry, any reason, yeah, man, Kountry Boi t-shirt, check it out, peeps. Go get yours all the way. Yeah, man, so the base of that, everybody. You see me. Chop. Next thing is Kuya. You see, if you forgot your blower and you have long hair like me, you just come so boops. And you switch it on, but I don't know what I want to fit right now. That's what I think, well, I'm press the button and save for that. Alright, I want for you. Don't know what I want for her, she got work not too long. But it look like she camera shy, but it's alright. So you don't know, I'll put her in back, make sure you go and chill with the kids and the family because Christmas time. Yeah, man, you don't know. Yeah, tissue there so in case you have a number 2. But you don't know, say, the bathroom is definitely number 1. Alright. So people, if the bathroom's a shot, want to comment down in the comment section and say the bathroom shot. You see me? So, ciao.
Well, as I would say, you know,
the next thing about that pretty room here, my closet, you see me? I say at the first, me go one place. And so me just easy back for the night and care one chair for dinner. I say you only full up of anger people. So friend, you know, see that. And you don't know say. And you don't know say things shot, you see me? Iron board, iron in there. Oh wait there, iron in there. Yeah man, you don't know a thing go chop, you see it. And then again, yo, could them people, you see say they know say a king a come home, so what them put one nice heart in a bed for the eye. Look on it, man. Jesus. Have mercy, original country boy. Better king size, you don't know a thing, go. Well, nice. Yeah, man. You see me? I have a nice little woodwork right here, so it's pretty. In case of any emergency and thing. Landline phone, TV, remote, the so cause guess what, people? TV in the room, and then just all them do are just advertise. Alright, so people, you don't know it's a COVID time, but you see normally what them would do is right here, so would that be a bar in the room. Because of COVID, they not stop the room properly, so would it? Like fridge look like a long time in a use. You see me, so yeah man, that go on in a jalan. Yeah man, peace. And the next thing, I want to shout out to Mia Ray. Big her up, you see me? And she make them bag, you can put your toothbrush on something and them thing there in it. Big her up, you see me? She bad people. Yeah man, go check her out. I'll put her link down in the description. Alright, so you have this little living room section, people. You see if your other friend them come over from feed them room and thing and you know want just vibe. Alright, that's how we are gonna do it right now. You see me? Let me show you what I mean. You see me? Shh. Country boy. So yeah man, the thing up man. Alright. You see, I'm gonna continue the video and I'm gonna see my face and everything. So you're gonna follow right now. Because the next thing what country boy have to show, you know, is the balcony. Oh, I'm so sorry I got lost in the beauty just now, but I'm telling the people, I love the balcony already. You can throw your towel lesser in case you're at the beach wet, and your towel wet up and you end up dry and you just throw you over a little, me call it a line. Yeah man, you have your chair right here, so, and the chair complete. You don't know, cock up your foot like a prince, and do your thing, you see me? Talk to the people. Hello, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Yeah man, chat to your people. Nice little glass and sitting so they make it nice. And the view is beautiful. Yeah man. And by the way, we just have to big up to the contractor, Donald Trump, and him build the wall. So you see it look good, people. Big him up. Big up to the contractor, Donald Trump. Big up yourself. The wall is big though, no? Yeah man. So yeah man. Around that's so pretty, you know man. Over there so, we have jelly tree. We see like a palm tree over there so. I'm not telling no lie people, you see that jelly tree there up there so? I feel like little more me I go raid it. Yeah man. So, everybody, I hope you enjoy I man room tour. I'm telling you, say, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all again. Alright, if you love the video, pull it up and watch again. Yeah? Little more. Bye bye.